Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel EduUdr. Today I'm back with another video in this Java series where I will teach you how to install Eclipse in your system. If your operating system is in Windows, then you can definitely follow this video. First of all, to install in Eclipse, let's open any of your favorite browser. I have opened my Chrome browser where I'll write in the search bar as Eclipse Java. Now hit enter. Now you just scroll up until you find Eclipse downloads. Click on this. When you click on this link, it will take you this web page. Here you can find the latest Eclipse IDEs, which is 2023. We are not interested in the latest one since we are the beginners. We start with the something which is basic. So I click here the download packages, and then just go down until you find a small thing overwritten here as more downloads. In here there are three versions: Eclipse Photon, Oxygen, Neon. You download any one of them. I download the latest one, that is Neon, which was the latest one in 2019. Click on Eclipse Neon or Photon. Here you can find there are many. Eclipse EEE edition is there, but we want Eclipse IDE for the Java. Here click on the Windows 32-bit. If mine is Windows 32-bit, if you're using 64-bit, you can click 64-bit. If you have a Mac or Linux 32-bit, Linux 64-bit, any one of it, can click it. But since I am using Windows 32-bit, I'll click on Windows 32-bit. When I click on this, it will take me to another web page. Here I just need to download it. There is nothing like sign into any kind of account like was it in JDK. Once it downloaded, click on show in folder. When it shows, it's a zipped file. You have to extract all the components of it. So just go there and click on right click here, go for extract all, then extract. Once you extract it, go inside that folder. Yeah, it will definitely take a little bit of time since it's a very heavy folder. Go inside it. In here, click inside the Eclipse. Here you find Eclipse application. Double click on it. Means your application is going to run and get installed in your system. Once it get installed, it will show this kind of tab. This is nothing but the Eclipse IDE. Now first of all, I want to close this window. So let me close this window, welcome window. Where it is? Here it is. Then I go for file. First of all, need to change the perspective since it is in another perspective. Go for the Windows perspective, open perspective, go for the Java. Then go in, click file, new, then Java project. Once you created the Java project, you have to create the next step is package and the next is class. So first I'll create the Java project. I'll just give any kind of name. I'll write it as a first Java program. It should be not case sensitive. You can give any. just click finish. Once it's done, right click on your first project. I'll just minimize it, it's really lot of space over here. Click on the source, right click on your source. If you right click it, it will show a little long list. In here, click new package. Package name should always start with a small case letter, so I'm writing with a small case letter. Look at, if I write in H as capital, it will show me error. So I'm writing small case hello program, then finish. Then I need to create class. Right click on your package and go for new, and here click on class. Our class name should always start in with the capital letters, so I wrote hello program in caps, so it's totally different. And make it public static void main, then click finish. After clicking finish, it will have a small code over here like this. I'll just increase my size, just press Ctrl plus, and I'm gonna remove this comment. To print anything in Java, you just need to write system.out.println. I cannot explain you this, that how it is system.out.println, because it requires a lot of technical knowledge. So once I'll go on completing these sessions, I'll explain you in between, because you should know class, what are the classes and what are the built-in functions for this. Now I'm writing hello world, and this should print on my console. First of all, you need to save it. Once it's saved, and then you just click on this green button, which is run, and in here at the console part, you're supposed to get output. Yeah, here I got the output. Just take it up. Look at here, whatever I told there, whatever I wrote there, it exactly printed over here. And this is your first Java program, which is nothing but an hello world. And that's all for the day. In the next video, I will show you how the Java operators work. Till then, keep watching our channel EduUdr, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.